Hello, my name is Shemin and today we're going to make a delicious korma using our paste. First we need to slice an onion and fry it in a little bit of oil until it's brown and caramelized. So next we need to put in a whole pot of Shemin's Indian curry paste and simmer that with a splash of water for a couple of minutes. Next we need to put in 800 grams of diced chicken and cook that until it's well mixed into the curry sauce. Once that's done, we need to put in a tin of tomatoes and put the lid on the pan and simmer that for about 10 minutes until the tomatoes have melted and broken down. Once the sauce is cooked, we add in some cream and butter and we melt that into the sauce. To finish off the dish, we need to garnish it with some toasted almonds. And that's how you make Shemin chicken korma.